How to turn on notification of trending public content on Snapchat. Today guys I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap as usually. Then when your Snap is open as its camera, you go here and click on your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you go here on settings, then click and then go to notification and click, and we found an option trending public content. We just turn on these things like this, so now you will receive notification of trending public content on your account Snapchat. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.